Hello everyone and welcome to our channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last 2 days and how the price of gold can move in the next 2 days. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen, gold is trading in a zone. Okay, a longer view also, if you see from the month of April 24, we have seen it is moving in this zone. But if you look at a weekly or day wise chart, you will see that this is the range where the price of gold is moving for so long. Now looking at this particular chart, probability is higher that if the price started going again above a level of $2,344, then a probability is high it can cross a level of 2370. There is a probability. But if started again moving below a level of around 2310, then chances are high it will cross a level of 2300 and this zone will be moved out from that particular zone, and chances of going below a level of 2286 we can see, and then a further low we can see. Okay, now if you look at this particular trend, this is the zone where the price is moving for so long. Okay, and if you look at this trend, what we have seen, one high, second high, third high will be there if the price started going above a level of 2388, then a further upside movement we can see. If you look at the dollar index is trying to go upside. Okay, and when the dollar index started going higher, now it is trading at a level of around $105.6. Okay, so if the price keep moving above this level, a probability will be very high that if the price started going above this level, a probability of that gold price will go down if the price of dollar started going higher. But if the price of dollar started going down, if it started going below a level of $105.2, then only we will see it will fall, then the gold price will come up. Okay, now looking the gold price again. So before I move ahead, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglab@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description, and please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link also given in the description, you can join that too. Suppose if the price sustain this level, a probability is high it will touch a level of $2335, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards a level of 2042. Once the price started going above that particular zone, chances of going towards a level of 2358 we can see, and if that sustain, a further upside we can see after 2358 we can see a level of $2364, and from there a further upside movement we can see towards 2368. So there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going towards after 2368 we can see a level of $2377, and from there a level of $2388. Okay, and this is the zone where the price will go up and further upside movement we can see. But if the price didn't sustain, what we can see, remember, see, market is always uncertain, so you have to put your SL. Capital can be saved, and always try to trail your SL so your profit can be saved. Okay, so suppose the price didn't sustain, the next support coming at a level of around $2333. If the price started falling below, see, now it is already below that particular zone, so chances will be high that the next level we can see $23, and from there a further low we can see towards 2318. Suppose if the price started falling below that level, a further fall we can see towards 2315, and from there a further downfall we can see towards $2310. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular zone, chances of going towards 2307, and then there will be a zone breakout, so chances of going towards a level of 23 below, and then we can see level 2297. And once the price started falling below this level, a further fall we can see towards a level of 2286, and then to a level of 2280, and then further low, because this is the zone, so chances will be high it will go further down. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.